This is so good, guys. And it's spicy.
Go. Baby. Ice.
Okay, he said he wants this. I actually served him his own. Hey, amazing family, welcome back to another mukbang video. Today, guys, we are having starch and pepper soup. Guys, this new weather, this is the best food. Okay. Anyway, by the way, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazingly well. Sorry for not being consistent, and that's because I have been so busy, you know. Though I eat as well, but the food I eat these days is not presentable at all. So guys, with that being said, guys, hey, no, sorry, don't shout. With that being said, let's get started. I have here my chicken, black fish, and goodies in here. Let's get started. Okay, yes. Let's unwrap and unravel. Okay. Delicious, guys. It tastes so good. Oh my god.
Guys, it's chocolate. Wow.
Best food, guys, for this one.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah? Yummy.
Oh.
No, please. Bye-bye. I like cocoa.
Let me adjust.
Yeah. Yes. Look away. Okay. Okay. One is wait. Oh yeah. I mean. Good. What? Oh. It's this.
Let's go to the other round and let me shift.
Wow. That's it.
Christian, are you gonna eat?
No, wait. You're not wait.
You're not hungry?
You're not there.
Should put it here?
Yeah. Give me.
I should put it in your mouth? Try it.
Give me. No. I said no.
You don't want. Oh my god.
You're coaching.
Oh, am I that hungry? I'm craving for more.
Yeah, you go. You look good.
Wow.
Check.
Bring it up, raise it up.
Repeat it. Repeat. No, wait. No, go.
Lou, do you want chicken?
No. Funny. That's it. That's it. Why we go? This is wow. No. Wow, what is it? What is the greatest? Oh no, wow, what is the greatest? What? Come on, something.
This soup is so sweet.
What's it? Wow, what's wrong? Okay. Wow. What's it? Wow. Yeah.
It's bigger than sauce, bro. This chicken is so big.
Good. Yeah, chicken. Yeah. Chicken. Cuts. Blue. The oats. It's an oats. It's the seeds. But it's the best.
Body's warm now. Feeling heat.
I don't want fire.
Best food I've ever eaten this week.
No. No. Not big. Where? Okay. The rest is basically a big just.
Man, I enjoyed this for. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Always hit the like button, please. Okay, and comment down below because your comment keep me going. Thank you, and I love you guys.